Imagine a battlefield where the enemy is not just one soldier but an army that adapts, evolves, and hides in plain sight. This is the reality of cancer, a relentless disease that claims millions of lives despite decades of research. Many people think of cancer as a single entity, but in reality, it is a collection of constantly mutating cells that defy the body's defense systems. Why is cancer so hard to kill? What makes it so resilient against treatments? In this video, we'll break down the science behind cancer's survival tactics and explore why it continues to challenge modern medicine. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on important health insights. Just a quick reminder, we are not medical doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. How cancer starts? Cancer begins with mutations in the DNA of normal cells, leading to uncontrolled cell division. Our bodies have genetic mechanisms to regulate cell growth, including proto-oncogenes, which promote normal cell division, and tumor suppressor genes, which act as brakes to prevent excessive growth. When these genes are damaged, deleted, or altered by environmental factors or internal errors, they lose their ability to control cell division, leading to the formation of cancerous cells that multiply rapidly and form tumors. However, our bodies also have built-in defenses, such as programmed cell death, apoptosis, and immune system surveillance, which help eliminate abnormal cells before they become a problem. But when these defense mechanisms fail, get overwhelmed, or are outmaneuvered by aggressive cancer cells, the disease takes root, begins to spread, and eventually disrupts normal bodily functions. This ability to evade the body's natural defenses makes cancer particularly difficult to combat and contributes to its high mortality rate. Why doesn't everyone develop cancer? Even though DNA mutations happen regularly, most of them don't result in cancer. This is because the body has multiple layers of protection. Cellular repair mechanisms work efficiently to fix damaged DNA before it causes harm, preventing the development of mutations that could lead to cancer. The immune system surveillance actively detects and destroys abnormal cells, ensuring they do not multiply uncontrollably. Cellular feedback loops regulate and prevent excessive division unless necessary, maintaining a delicate balance within tissues. For cancer to develop, multiple mutations must accumulate in the same cell over time, bypassing the body's natural safeguards. This is why aging, chronic exposure to carcinogens, genetic predisposition, and lifestyle factors such as poor diet, lack of exercise, and high stress levels increase cancer risk. The longer cells are exposed to harmful agents, the higher the likelihood of mutations evading repair mechanisms and leading to uncontrolled growth. Causes of cancer. Cancer can arise due to a combination of genetic mutations and external factors. Radiation exposure from sources such as UV rays from the sun, X-rays, and certain industrial processes can damage DNA, leading to mutations. Carcinogens, including tobacco smoke, asbestos, air pollution, and processed foods containing harmful additives, contribute to genetic changes that may trigger cancer development. Chronic tissue damage from persistent inflammation, repeated injury, or infections weakens cellular integrity and increases mutation risks. Viruses like HPV, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C have been linked to specific types of cancer by altering DNA and interfering with normal cell regulation. Additionally, genetic inheritance plays a significant role, as some individuals inherit faulty genes that increase their predisposition to cancer. Lifestyle choices such as poor diet, lack of physical activity, and excessive alcohol consumption further contribute to the gradual accumulation of mutations, pushing normal cells toward becoming cancerous over time. Why cancer is deadly? One of the most dangerous characteristics of cancer is its ability to spread and invade other tissues. Cancerous tumors can be classified into two types. Benign tumors do not spread and are usually harmless unless they grow large enough to press on vital organs, causing discomfort or impairing function. Malignant tumors, however, are aggressive and can invade nearby tissues or travel through the bloodstream and lymphatic system to other organs, a process called metastasis. This ability to move undetected makes treatment highly challenging and allows cancer to establish new growth sites throughout the body. Once cancer spreads to vital organs such as the lungs, liver, or brain, it disrupts essential functions, making it far more difficult to treat and often proving fatal. The rapid and uncontrolled division of cancerous cells places extreme strain on the body's systems, leading to organ failure, compromised immunity, and severe weight loss. This progression highlights why early detection and timely intervention are crucial in improving survival rates and treatment effectiveness. The common cause of death in cancer patients. Surprisingly, the original tumor is rarely the cause of death. Instead, it is the ability of cancer to spread that makes it so deadly. When malignant cells metastasize, they disrupt essential organ functions, causing organ failure due to excessive tumor growth. Nutritional depletion occurs as cancer consumes the body's resources. The immune function becomes compromised, making the patient vulnerable to infections. This explains why even after surgical removal of the primary tumor, cancer can return if residual cells remain undetected and continue to multiply. Cancer treatments and challenges. Treating cancer is incredibly difficult because of its adaptability. The most common treatments include surgery, which is effective for localized tumors, but not for metastatic cancer, as spreading cells may remain undetected. Chemotherapy kills fast-dividing cells, but also affects healthy cells, leading to severe side effects such as nausea, fatigue, and weakened immunity. Radiation therapy targets cancer cells with high energy waves, but can also damage surrounding tissues, sometimes causing long-term complications. Immunotherapy helps the immune system recognize and destroy cancer cells, but it does not work for all types, and some patients experience autoimmune reactions. Additionally, targeted therapies have been developed to attack specific cancer cell proteins, but these treatments are only effective for certain genetic mutations. The biggest challenge is that cancer cells mutate and develop resistance to treatments over time. A therapy that initially works may become ineffective as the cancer adapts, requiring ongoing adjustments and combination treatments to improve outcomes. Cancer is a relentless and highly adaptable enemy, making it one of the most challenging diseases to treat. Understanding how it develops, spreads, and resists treatment is crucial in the fight against this deadly illness. While early detection and cutting-edge research offer hope, there is still much work to be done. Keep in mind that we are not medical doctors, and this information should not be considered medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only. It is always best to check with your doctor for medical advice and treatment. They will know more about your individual condition. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with others to spread awareness. Let's continue supporting cancer research and education to make a difference in the battle against this disease.